Good evening, my name is David Muniz, and today I'm going to be making Bocadillo con Queso, or guava paste over cheese. It is a Puerto Rican or Latin American appetizer meal with just guava jelly placed over usually some sort of sharp cheddar cheese and toothpicks. So first, before I start touching that, I want to wash my hands as any good chef should do. You may think that just guava paste over cheese would be bland, but it's actually has a really good flavor because of the contrast between the sweetness, the sweet like fruity taste of the guava jelly, and then the salty and sharp flavor of the cheese. Compare something like that to grapes and cheese, strawberries and cheese, like from Ratatouille. So last time I actually handled this before, the paste was surprisingly very sticky and hard to cut. So this time I have it already pre-cut, and also I noticed last time that the cheddar cheese taste was a bit too strong because my cubes were huge. So this time I'm going to be slicing it thinner and cutting them into flatter pieces. The guava paste is also surprisingly hard to cut. It's very sticky. Sticks to your knife. I wasn't expecting it for something that is called or named paste. And I'm butchering this cheese as well. Here. At least we can have a few that are neatly shaped. So now, let me pair them together. And here I'm using pieces of a broken skewer because I did not want to buy toothpicks that I knew were not going to be used here. And if this is a little bit too bland for you, you could always pair it with crackers or some chips, which I like. I like it like this. That's a little bit more of a salty taste, and it gives crunch to the softer textures as well. Very good. I hope you enjoy it as well.